grab this one real quick. This is the famous wonton noodle soup for $5. Bloopers.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Pablo Leva here. So guys, for today, as you can see, there's blue lights. So guys, for today I'm gonna be meeting up with another YouTuber. I'm gonna be doing a collaboration with Victor Lee. He's also known as the Black Panda. So I am here today at downtown Chinatown. He's gonna be basically showing me around. So we are just actually waiting for Victor, aka the Black Panda. He's almost here, and then we can go ahead and do our business. Yeah. Here we go. Oh my gosh. So we need to get some parking tickets. Pay to park, guys. Alright. Focus. Alright, we got it. So the expiration time of our parking is basically 8:17 p.m. So I wanted to go like 9 p.m. but I can't. I think the maximum is on 8. Alright guys, we're good to go. Let's go. Oh my gosh. It is really cold today, man. It's like 20 degrees, I'm not sure. There's no light in here. Oh, Ted is almost here, so we're just gonna be waiting for him. And basically he's gonna be the one touring me around. So we're gonna go to some restaurants here, and then he's gonna show me around. Basically eat some good food that is actually famous here in Chinatown. So guys, this is what I don't like about like fall or winter time. Look at this. It's dark already and it's only like 5:30 p.m. That is really not good, but you know, it is what it is.
What's going on? What's up? It's me, Vic Lee. It is a cold day right now.
Yeah, it is crazy.
freezing right now. So yes, we are here in Chinatown Square right now on a very cold day, probably like 18 degrees. Yeah, I'm here with Paula right now. We're gonna go film. Oh yeah, it's gonna be a amazing night.
Yeah, so Victor is gonna show me around, and then probably, well, we're definitely gonna eat some food.
So yeah, we're gonna eat some
right
food.
now.
We're gonna eat some food. We're gonna go walk around. We're gonna show little hidden spots here and there for you guys. So yeah, definitely go check it out.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all.
For the tourist attraction, and then you'll see over there on the side right there, that's the Chinese Starbucks. As you can see right there. Okay, we actually stop by later on.
Oh,
It's Chinese Starbucks.
it's interesting.
There's Chinese words on it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool.
Go there right now.
Let's check it out.
It's like we're losing our
Actually, new restaurants keep coming in. Tons of new restaurants. Actually, tons of new stores coming in. Recently, the newest one here is actually that Pho Cafe. So there's actually some Vietnamese community coming in, Korean community coming in. So it's actually quite a lot of new places. One thing I want to tell you guys though, like in America right now, Chicago's Chinatown is the only Chinatown right now where it actually is still expanding. The only one in Chinatown, yeah. So we're actually the only city right now. We're actually completely expanding.
Only been here like what, twice?
Twice?
So
it's like the third time now?
Yeah, so this is like the third time. I actually did a vlog here before.
You never looked at it before?
So yeah, probably I'm gonna link it somewhere over there for me. So you can check that out, guys. So.
Check it out, yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
and I don't even care, no, I don't even care anymore.
If you want good dim sum, I would recommend you come out to here to the Chocolate area. So
Here you go, guys.
Yeah.
Want some dim sum? Let's go over there.
what kind of snacks or dessert? Ice Max has in it, Thai ice cream, Thai roll ice cream, or like waffle cakes. This place actually has a pretty good assortment of ice cream.
I don't know if that's a good idea because it's like 20 degrees. But you know, when it's summertime, you can go there.
Yeah. Now it's too cool for ice cream though. Way too cool for ice cream.
Man, I feel like a snowman.
Man. Spot is the original Tasty House where they serve Thai roll ice cream. Like they're the first one to bring out here to Chicago, Chinatown. And ever since then, everyone tried to duplicate them, tried to actually copy them. So the people actually opened their own stores for Thai ice cream. But the fact is that no one actually makes them as good as them. So there are lines and lines and lines of people just going in there during the weekends.
Everything feels like it just stays.
So guys, we're going over there. That's the other sign right there.
That place is called Seven Treasures. It's been here for like, as far as I remember, at least 30 years. I mean, at least 30 years. It's one of the original places to like, if you want a quick snack, you know, you want something affordable to eat. A lot of students from high school, college, like usually come here to eat like wonton noodle soup, or of course like the most famous of all food here is that barbecue pork with fried egg over rice, which is known as the 554.
That sounds good.
This is like, yeah, it's very iconic, very iconic.
Okay.
And this place has like, it's been passed on from generation to actually generation. So it's one of the oldest restaurants in Chinatown, Wentworth Street too. So yeah, just check it out. Definitely check
Go.
it out.
Alright, finally guys, we're in warm weather.
We're in so this restaurant is called Seven Treasures. Gotta have some tea. Nice jasmine tea. I mean, especially if it's cold, yeah, this is it right here. Cheers then. Cheers. Oh yeah, nice tea. That's really good. Oh man. So we have the barbecue pork with fried egg over rice. This is actually one of the most iconic items here at the Seven Treasures. $6.25. It's definitely a game changer. I mean, I've been eating this since I was in high school. I love this dish. It's simple but it's good. Trust me, it's good.
For $6, man?
$6.25. Yeah, it's not too bad. I mean,
We're sharing
you're
it.
sharing it. Yeah. And then wonton noodle soup for $5 a bowl. You can't beat it. You have tons of wonton and fresh noodles here. That's actually one of the best wonton noodle soup in the Chicago area right here. Wonton here. I would suggest we try the noodles first because it's still nice and hot, and plus like it's gonna get like soggy if you don't eat it right away because of the right, grab that wonton. Boom. Grab the soup. Break this really quick.
Ooh, look at that, guys.
Break this really quick. Okay.
影緊，
有影㗎。
哎呀，上緊啊！
上緊
啊大佬啊，早啲出聲啊！
好啦，你上鏡一齊上鏡。
I mean, the noodles is like, what do you call this? It's soft, it's tender.
Right?
Yeah.
It has a very chewy texture to it, and that's how you know it's actually fresh. It is actually freshly made from a factory. Here's one.
Try the soup.
It's nice. The soup is actually really great. And there's a little secret though. The soup base is made from squid. Yeah, so there's actually some squid flavor here. Kind
Yeah,
of
it tastes it.
right?
Squid.
Little squiddy flavor to it. Has a little saltiness to it as well too. It's not overpowering. It looks like actually a nice squiddy, kind of chickeny broth in it at the same time.
Okay, now let's try the wonton. So what kind of, is this beef or what's pork?
I think this is pork and shrimp.
Pork and shrimp.
Pork and shrimp right here, yeah.
That's right.
I'll try it. How was it?
It's very nice.
Right? Very nice texture to it. It's soft too, right?
Yeah, the shrimp is like, because sometimes when you overcook or the, what do you call this, the shrimp, it's like rubbery or whatever.
Yeah, this is actually perfect. And they're baby shrimps. They're not big. So the smaller shrimp is actually the softer it is too. It actually brings out a lot more flavor than the bigger shrimps.
How much? $5?
$5, guys. $5. You have
beat that.
yourself a great meal. Very great meal. Yeah. You're gonna love it. Now for some
What do you call
people-
this again?
This is the barbecue pork with fried egg over rice,
Okay.
or also known as the 554. Now the reason why they call it the 554 is because back in the days the menu was labeled 554, 556. 556 would be barbecue pork with roast duck egg, and then
Interesting.
557 was like kind of like a taro or something like that, tofu with shrimp over rice. 554 is known as the barbecue pork over egg. But the menu has changed since then, but people has kept it as is. So when you
They got used to it.
get used to it. So when you have a 554, even though it's not on the menu, they know exactly what it is. And grab some of that rice at the same time. So let's try it.
Right.
Eat it with the pork and with the egg at the same time.
So the pork is kind of sweet. I don't know. Right?
Yeah.
Let's get some of that egg.
Yeah. We have one of these pork, right? Grab a pork, grab some of the egg, right? And what you want to do is grab some pork and egg,
So you eat all of them at the same
do it
time.
at the same time. Very tasty. For $6.25? Yeah, you can't beat that.
So all in all, it's like what, $12?
So we got $5 for 1 ton of soup. You have the barbecue pork for $6.25. $11.25. You have 2 plates of meal. It's gonna fill you up, and that's the best bang for the buck.
Well, that there's still a
It's a lot left too, so it's it's not like it's it's a small plate. It's actually a big portion size too, very big portion size.
So definitely 7 treasures. You should put that on your list.
Yes, on your list to go places in Chinatown.
Alright guys, we're done here. Now we are going to
We're going to Chinatown Square
Yeah.
for some sabu sabu.
We're gonna go to Joy's.
We're going to Joy
Shabu
Sabu Shabu
Shabu.
for our second location.
Yep.
Try some hot pot style food.
There
So
you
like
go.
a propane tank, your own personal stove, and then they bring out some lots of good stuff like some
interesting.
veggies and some meat, some raw stuff, and you just cook it yourself. Awesome.
That's cool. Alright, let's go.
I want that. I want this.
Look at that.
I want this.
Panda.
I need this. I need this. So anyways, if you only see this right here, one cow about a year ago. 95 years in business. Passed by down to three generations. So it's literally like a landstone here now. One cow. The oldest restaurant in Chinatown right here is pretty much a very historical place now. And it's pretty sad that they actually closed out. They actually serve really good dim sum. It's actually Southwood is the perfect meal on a freezing cold day. I promise you guys, man. I promise you guys. It's perfect.
There's actually no one here. It's crazy. Look at that, guys. Yeah. Usually, like summertime, this would be packed, but
Yeah, it's quiet because it's
cold.
just so cold right now.
it's just us.
It's just there's nobody because it's
We're
freezing.
the only one crazy enough to go out.
Yeah, that's really good. Anyways, we got the meat lover special, the side of vegetables right here, for the meat, lamb, beef, and short ribs. Grab some of that meat, put it into the thing right there, right? Grab some of that naki mushrooms, put them there. Definitely perfect for a nice cool day. Ready? Grab that beef right.
That quick?
It's cooked. So what I like to do is grab some of that sauce. Yeah, grab some of that sauce. Just dip in the sauce. There you go. Not bad, man.
Yeah, it's good.
Very good. So let it cook for a little bit and then just kind of.
Actually, doesn't take that long to
It
cook.
takes that long to cook. I mean, the pork.
Like 5 seconds.
Yeah, for the beef, yeah. Just like let it simmer in there. And then the longer you simmer, the more taste of the broth is. Yeah.
So what's this sauce?
Saute sauce is kind of a combination of everything. Like and like a, I don't know how you call it. Saute sauce is kind of like, it's like onion, garlic that has been cooked for a long time. It's like turn soft. And then add some kind of it's fermented. So it actually helps grow the flavor. I think that's what it is, saute sauce. I actually took it right. Okay, it's done. Here's some of that pork. Nice juicy
guys.
pork.
Yeah, pork. Dip it in there.
Yeah. How was that? Good?
Oh man.
Yeah.
Let's put some more.
Man, once they open that door, yeah, breeze.
That's crazy.
Yeah, breeze, dude.
There's still a lot, guys.
Yeah, it's a lot of food.
Boom, guys, there you have it. It's all gone.
That was a lot of meat. That's a lot of meat, man. So yeah, so make sure if you're in Chinatown area, check out Joby plus Sabu Sabu for this place. You're not gonna be disappointed. If you like some kind of Sabu, man, oh yeah, this is the place to go to, man. This is the go-to.
Boom.
What's going on, guys? Woo! We just had a great meal. Sabu
Exactly.
Sabu, amazing, totally delicious. It definitely warm us up a little bit, right?
Yes, definitely, guys. Whenever you're here in Chinatown, definitely check out Joy Shabu Shabu and the Seven Treasures.
Seven treasures for some amazing wonton noodle soup, some barbecue pork, and also if you do have time, check over here, Star Restaurant right here. I definitely recommend you try this place as well too, a Michelin Star Restaurant. Good food, good seafood as well too, and Seafood Harbor down here. Lobster, some crab legs. Yeah, they have some good stuff here, good seafood stuff. So I definitely recommend that.
Alright guys, there you have it, guys. So please do check Hanger Black Panda. I'm gonna link his channel down below in the description. And yeah.
Definitely, man. It's nice to meet you, man. I'll definitely appreciate you featuring me here.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. Definitely.
There you go.
Oh,
So
yeah.
we're probably gonna do more of collaborations, and
Yeah.
so watch out for that.
Wait
guys.
till it gets warm out. It would be that awesome collab next time around.
So with that said, guys, I'm going to be ending the vlog here. Once again, this is Paulo Levy. So if you like this video, guys, just give it a thumbs up, and you know, remember, comment, share, subscribe. You already know, right?
Do it, yeah. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell button for next time too. All right.
Alright, guys, see you on the next vlog.
Peace.
Boom.